Two teams from Kakching District Administration today inspected the residences of around 37 internally displaced families from Serou who returned home last evening after staying at various relief camps in Imphal East District. The inspection teams were led by SDC Waikong Y Jiban and SDC Sugnu Gunamani. During the visit, officials assessed the condition of the houses and reviewed the immediate needs of the returning families. The district administration announced that monetary assistance will be provided for the repair of damaged houses. Speaking on the sidelines, SDC Jiban said houses requiring repairs have been identified and a detailed report will be submitted to the Deputy Commissioner. He added that the process of releasing funds for house repairs and other essential requirements of the IDPs will begin from tomorrow.
Mapung when a moina installment hunger matunda, installment during matung in moina sari, but siki awat passing no manini, anusida, bitoini. Aduga, yum di chakidaba, rukuin the climate, Madam Moragan Tragamatam, the nominic in the Pangiva, Sopala, wishing Duna, no Ninisida Moigi, the Mesgio, the Pesha, hand installment of 40,000 Nama, no Ninisida, no Pirani, Aduga, awat by Contamanga Amaduna, a tanksai ho, forget hand hata, right to Pinaba, that's minor talent.
Meanwhile, the returning internally displaced persons raised their grievances, stating that the full amount sanctioned for house construction has not yet been released, leaving several houses incomplete. They said many families are still not in the condition to live in their homes. The affected families urged the government to promptly release the pending funds and take necessary steps to help restore their livelihoods.
San hure, hure, manchang, loy hure, Sublangi Jumji and Junga Lehurichi. Lehuriba Jumji, who Chembina, but Shapi Bilaga, the Ikermana Tumdori, I know Matian Hatume. Chang and Matian to me, Matian Tunaga, who is a lady, Lady Suzuki J, and was young Kaisian, the Bakadona, Matian Pangu, and Saka, the Pona Hajeri.
Hujuki in addition to Lambisa Lake, the Carmito Rosina, a paiba labor Kanguna, Tabagumbato, Gibagano, Takumnava, the Yakoihan, Ben service at Lamak, the Nazi Ben service at Lamani, the Ben service element, the year Ibavana, Mantauko Patalamani, Adugum Posil, Jitilona, Leopoldina, is I should offer a memo in Manina Private School, Britannia, Huji School Matisality, the Gisugun Rotarical Ben service. Ben service mingi the isara to the Ben Barapi the Bayar or Tagi, adopting a Pesasulating Hujibaki, Isagi, Ategi, emission of Sangi Pesabuslating and the Ben Barapini Pesase, Oabam or the river.